MS Automotive is a European group of car parts producers. Our products are available as OE dedicated to first assembly, as well as under the aftermarket brand Master Sport. We are well known on the market in first line because of our wide range of suspension parts. That is why development of this product group is always a priority for us. This year our offer have expanded to over 130 control arm kits for the most popular car models. As far as we know, we are the only one supplier who can boast with such a wide range. And this is not all. Next year we will offer our customers another 120 new kits. We also prepared a special promotion. For every 10 suspension kits purchased, customers will receive a puller set for ball joints. Next year we will launch EU co-finance production of control arms with a patented long-life technology which allow us to offer even better products. Clear trend for eco-products and social responsibility for the environment have a huge impact on our business decisions. Offering to customers a product that solves his problems is always the key to success. That is why today we can offer our customers a new premium brand of BBS Eco Comfort brake pads that already meet the strict American standard of metal content, which take effect from 2025. Under the BBS brand, we will also offer grease-free coated brake discs. Master Sport do not forget also about standard products. To the currently offered standard discs, we attach a special degreasing set for free. We offer also anti-smog, stop, microbe, cabin filters dedicated to allergy sufferers with triple protection, active silver, active carbon and bamboo fibres. MS also applied for EU co-financing to launch the production of eco-oil filters made with synthetic paper. Our customers are already familiar with our CA, CA and DFB car batteries. Recently, they also well accepted a range of lithium-ion batteries for motorcycles. This motivated us to step up the implementation of eco-innovations as ICS testers and patented lithium-ion batteries for passenger cars. Simply said, our customers demand it.